guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun PR unboxing video. I've realized I should do these again because you guys used to love them before and I just stopped doing them in the middle. And I also don't want to come across as braggy because I can understand how PR unboxing videos can seem that way. But I just want to tell you that I'm incredibly grateful to receive all of these amazing products from such amazing brands. And also, you guys, it's taken a long time to get here. Nothing in the world comes free. You have to work really hard to achieve your dreams. You have to take your dreams seriously. You have to follow them with a passion that is just insane. YouTube is not something that you can do if you do not hold intense passion for what you do. So if you have stuck through the journey, if you have stuck through the hard work, then these are the perks of when you become an influencer. And also, all of these brands send these products to us in hopes of promotions or exposure. Nothing is truly a gift because everybody that sends you something has an agenda. They would love it if you feature it. Promotions or a video or a post or a story or whatever you want to do. There is a certain give and take here, but yeah, I'm very grateful to receive all of these amazing products. I'm very thankful to all of these brands who decide to send me products. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into all of the products that were in my mail. The first box we have is from K-Beauty. They recently launched their new matte lipsticks and there are 18 shades in this collection. So the first row are nudes, then they have some fun bright colors in the second row, and in the third row there are some really bold and dark shades. So there are 18 shades in this collection. All of them are color coordinated, as you can see, with a magnetic lid. I have made a lip swatch video on all of the 18 shades. You guys know I love to do lip swatch videos, especially on complete ranges, so you guys can make a decision about which shade you want to pick out. So if you want to see a lip swatch video on all of these 18 shades, head on over to my Instagram. I have done a lip swatch video on my IGTV. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check my IGTV for all of the swatches. They are super matte, super pigmented, very amazing formula. Comfortable kind of formula to wear, and I love bullet lipsticks, you guys know that. So thank you so much to K-Beauty for sending this across. I am a huge fan of K-Beauty, you guys. I love so many different products from K-Beauty. I love their lip liners. Right now I'm wearing a K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype. I have to do that with almost all of the lipsticks I wear. I love their highlighter, I love their contour sticks, I love their lip crayons. They have some really fabulous products. So that was the first package from K-Beauty. Thank you so much to K-Beauty for sending this across. Charlotte Tilbury recently launched on Nykaa and they sent across this giant box. So on the inside we have this little picture showing 10 looks from Charlotte Tilbury products, and over here there is a note from Charlotte Tilbury, and we have a bunch of products inside. So let's see all the products we have. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I love the packaging, you guys. This packaging is so fun. Look at that. It's not like a carton or anything. This is how you open the box, and here inside is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I am so excited to try this out. This has SPF 15, so this is going to be like a day cream for me, and I am just, oh my god, I cannot wait to put this on. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal. This is an iconic liquid eye pencil in the shade Barbarella Brown. So let's give it a swatchy swatch. Ooh, that was super smooth, you guys. It's like a liquid eye pencil and it's in this really dark brown kind of shade, which I haven't seen a lot because the brown liners I have are like brown. This is between like black and brown, so I'm very excited for that. This one is the Luxury Eye Palette. This is their eyeshadow palette and I have the shade Golden Goddess. I swatched these shades and they look really beautiful, especially this one right here. Stunning color. And then lastly, I have the Matte Revolution lipstick. Lastly, I have the Matte Revolution lipstick. This is in the shade Walk of No Shame. Oh, so it looks like that. It's like a pinky brownie brick kind of shade. Very pretty. Thank you so much to Nykaa and Charlotte Tilbury for this. I am so excited. I cannot wait to try all of these products. mCaffeine sent over a few products for me to try. This is the mCaffeine Coffee Face Scrub and this is what the packaging looks like. All of the products are FDA approved, SLS free, dermatologically tested, not tested on animals, and paraben free. So this is the coffee face wash. which I have used this already and I think it's really nice. It's nice and mild. It's not too harsh on the skin, but it still cleans my skin, so I really like that. And I've also already tried out the coffee face mask because honestly it smells like heaven. All of the products are mixed with something, you know. So the mask is coffee mixed with pure cocoa, the face wash is coffee mixed with white water lily, and the scrub is coffee mixed with vitamin E. So all of the products have coffee as the base, I guess, and then all additional products. Oh my god, it smells, I cannot get over how awesome it smells. I just want to lick it. It's like coffee and chocolate, but more like dark chocolate. It's just awesome. And this face mask is really good. So thank you so much to mCaffeine for all of these products. The next package I have is from Sigma Beauty. I threw away the outer packaging. I shouldn't have, but I did. But anyway, this is the product that you're gonna get inside. It comes in this lovely pink chrome pouch, and inside you get a Sigma blender, which I think is such an amazing shape, especially if you want to bake your face. And this is just such an amazing blender. I have tried Sigma blenders before. They are amazing. And it also came with this really pretty pink chrome brush, and this is what the brush looks like. So you can see it's kind of tapered on one end. That is what it looks like. Love this kind of angled design. All in this beautiful pouch, which I think is so good to travel with, especially if you're putting in your eye brushes, because you know, it's such a perfect size for eye brushes. So thank you so much to Sigma for this. Then this interior design brand on Instagram called Lujo sent over these beautiful agate coasters. Oh my god, when I saw these, I just about died. They sent over 8 rose quartz coasters. Each of them is different. Each of them is like a unique stone. It looks different on the inside. They have a shiny side, as you can see, and this one is like a matte side, and on the border they have this really stunning gold rim. I don't know if you can see that. Well, yes, you can see that. So pretty, you guys. This is honestly, I just cannot wait to put this on my dining table and have all 8 of them on my dining table and just start using them. Thank you so much, Lujo. This is so thoughtful. I absolutely love them. Cannot wait to start using them. If you guys want beautiful agate furniture, definitely check them out. They have some stunning cake tables and trays and regular tables. They have some really fabulous stuff. I'm gonna leave their page down below. You should totally check them out. The next package I have is from Biolage. They sent over their hair care for me to try. This is the Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Camellia Smoothing Shampoo, and it sounds like the perfect thing for me because I have frizzy curly hair. This is fake. This is not my real hair. This is a ponytail which I have attached on my hair because I hadn't washed my hair in 3 days and I just wanted to pull them back up and have like a sleek hairstyle. So that's what I do on days when I don't want to wash my hair but still look presentable, you know. So I'm very excited to try out that shampoo and see how it smooths my hair. It says for frizzy hair. This is the Smooth Proof Conditioner. Again, for frizzy hair. Smoothing conditioner. Wow, that needs to go in my hair stat. And this is the Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. Smooths and controls frizzy hairs. So that sounds just about perfect for this girl. Thank you so much, Matrix Biolage, for sending these awesome products. We have a package from O3+. They recently won an award, the Vogue Beauty Festival 2020. So their Sulphur Cooling Facial Mask has won an award for the best face mask, and I agree with this. I have used the Sulphur Cooling Mask before, and O3+ is just one of those skincare brands that have affordable products yet effective products. Their Chocolate Glow Mask, oh my god, you guys, the chocolate glow mask is gone. I need a new one. I finished it. I love their face masks so much. They also have amazing facial kits, but if you want to try out a great face mask, definitely check out the O3+ Sulphur Cooling Mask, and I'm so excited to have a backup. I just finished mine and I started using my other face masks because I have a drawer full of face masks that I need to get through before they expire. So I didn't repurchase this, not because I didn't want to, but because I just had so many other masks to use up. But I'm really happy to have this because, you know, this is one of those products that you pick up the first thing in your drawer. This is one of those masks that out of all of the masks I have, this is the one that I would pick out and empty out. So that says a lot. I really like this mask. Thank you so much O3 Plus for sending this across. ColourPop sent me some face jewels, you guys. I actually have a few packages from ColourPop that I received a while ago, but I have already used them and I have already kept them back in their places. So I'm just gonna show you the awesome face jewels that they have. Wow, this is crazy. The first day that I received them, I did a full face of glam and I ended up using two that you see right here, two starry ones, and I'll just pop a picture right here so you can see how I wore them. But yeah, they have some really fun designs. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks so stunning. These with all sizes of round crystals, and these, oh my god, the heart and the stars. This is crazy. Thank you so much ColourPop for this. This is so fun. I love it. I can't wait to put more of them on my face. I feel like I should have done 1 or 2 crystals today because I have such a glam on. I could have gotten away with crystals, but I usually have so much going on. I have a neck piece, I have earrings, I have rings, I have bracelets, I have everything on. So I didn't feel the need for face jewels right now because I also have glittery eyes right now, but I'm gonna do these super soon. I love face jewels. Okay, we have something from Beatnik jewelry. I absolutely love their jewelry so much. I wear this so often, and honestly, I wore these the first day that I got them. If I find the story that I posted, I'm gonna pop it somewhere here for you guys to see that I literally wore these the first day that I received it. They are so beautiful. Look at them. Oh my god. The pink gets me. And then we have these fun blue ones. Oh my god, they are so pretty, you guys. And honestly, you do not have to have a blue outfit to wear these, you guys. You can wear whatever you want with whatever you want. Honestly, I could have worn these earrings with this top as well, and it would look really nice if I skip the necklace, of course, and just wear the earrings. I think they are so fun. Oh my god, these I just about squealed when I saw these because these are beautiful. They are angel wings, you guys. Look at this. These in the ear, they are just a vibe. They are so stunning. I think they're the cutest little earring ever, and you guys know I love jewelry. You basically never see me without jewelry. I'm never without jewelry. I have to put jewelry on, otherwise I just feel like incomplete. Jewelry is what makes me feel like, okay, now I'm done. And then we also have a ring. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you right here. Look at this. Super pretty ring, you guys. Definitely perfect to wear with Indian outfits. Thank you so much to Beatnik for this lovely package, and if you guys want to shop on Beatnik, I actually have a discount code with them, so don't forget to check it out. You will get some money off of your purchase, and they're not very expensive. It's a very affordable jewelry brand, and they have such beautiful pieces. So thank you so much to Beatnik for sending this across. This is a package from Miracle Herbs, and this is the first time I'm trying out their products. So they sent across this called Perfect Lips Lip Balm and Exfoliant Combo. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you get a lip scrub and a lip balm. So I'm excited to try the scrub combo as well and see how it works out together. Thank you so much Miracle Herbs for sending this across. Okay, then I have a package from Body Shop. Okay, now this is not PR. Body Shop does not send me PR, but I absolutely love Body Shop so much and I continue to buy from them. I keep repurchasing their products as and when my products finish, and they were just having a crazy Diwali sale, so I just went a little berserk and I bought all of the products that were on my wish list. So the first thing I got is the daddy size of my strawberry shower gel. I love the Body Shop strawberry, you guys. Nothing to me smells more strawberry like than the Body Shop strawberry. So if you love strawberry, I've said strawberry like so many times now, and if you want the true authentic scent of the fruit, definitely check out the Body Shop because they make strawberry like no other. And I've tried out like basically I think around like 9 or 10 different brands of strawberry products, and I am a strawberry connoisseur. I love strawberry, so I've tried out a lot of different brands, and I'm telling you, the way this smells, nothing else does. And you know, all the stuff that I'm going to show you next I got from the Body Shop website, but this was not available on the Body Shop website. They had a little teeny mini 250 ml version which I'm going to finish so fast. So I wanted the daddy size, I wanted the 750 ml. This was only available on Flipkart, so I got it from Flipkart. All the rest of the products I got from the Body Shop website. The first product I got is the strawberry body yogurt. Now the reason I got two was because either there was a buy one get one offer on one of these products, or they were like incredibly cheap, marked half down or something. So I just wanted to stock up and I got two of the Body Shop strawberry body yogurts. Now these are very moisturizing, but they're not greasy feeling. They are very fast absorbent. You don't have to rub these in forever, and they moisturize your skin. I really love them, and I mostly get the strawberry products for the smell, I'll be honest. I got my strawberry body mist just to spray on clothes, in my hair, you know, all over. This is the kind of product that you just spray all over and you expect to smell like strawberries. And I feel like when you layer all of your scents, when you layer your shower gel, your body lotion, your perfume and all of that, the scent lasts longer and it's stronger as well. They definitely had a crazy offer on the OD toilettes, so I got the two strawberry perfumes. They smell exactly the same as the mist, but this is like a more concentrated version, so they were incredibly cheap. They were marked down a lot from what they originally are, so I just got two. And lastly, I got this Japanese Cherry Blossom Essential set because I love the Japanese Cherry Blossom from Body Shop as well. I feel like they just do true scents, and I've also tried Cherry Blossom from at least 5 or 6 different brands, and I just love the way the Body Shop one smells. I've tried almost all the competitor brands of the Japanese Cherry Blossom and nothing smells, you know, more amazing and refreshing than this one. So this is a combo of the perfume and the shower gel. I have actually finished at least 3 of these Japanese Cherry Blossom perfumes. I have one in my vanity sitting right now. So I thought this was the perfect time to grab this since they were at such a great discount. There's a loofah inside as well. I just love this kit. So I have another shower gel here and a perfume. Oh, I forgot, there's another box. This one is also from K-Beauty. In here we have a bunch of products. We have the lip liner in the shade Vanity, which I love. I love the K-Beauty lip liners. They are amazing. So I'm always happy to receive the K-Beauty lip liners. Then we have the pigmentation correcting color corrector stick in the shade Orange, which is fab. This is the matinee lip crayon in the shade Climax. This is the highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. And this is a nail polish in the shade Mi Amor. Thank you K-Beauty for sending this across. This is so much fun. I love your products. So that's it, you guys. Those were all of the products that I received in my mail. I hope you found this interesting and I showed you some new launches and some options. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my Instagram if you're interested in fashion. I do have a fashion brand. It's called QUERIESFORAISHWARYA. You can shop my collection on www.querieria.com. So I do a lot of fashion on Instagram. I do a lot of transition outfits, fashion reels, lots of fun stuff on Instagram. So make sure you check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you want to see more videos like this. And also, I have a masterclass running on my channel where I'm teaching you makeup in great detail. Lots of detailed videos for you guys to understand how to apply makeup and select makeup perfectly. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna leave it down below. So let's turn the red subscribe button gray. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.